to the point is I've been improving so much recently.
You get pointers for basketball, you might as well for your mental health.
Oh, I get it now. Maybe I will do well on my big test.
If you can get math help, you can get mental health help too.
I'm so glad I got it checked. It's working better than ever now.
Well, that's good that you brought it in before it got worse.
You know, we get our cars checked, so why don't we just get our mental health checked too?